Hi everyone! In this video, we will use subtraction and addition properties of equality to solve equations. Here we have the equation v plus 265 equals 45. Our goal is to isolate the variable. That means to get the variable all by itself on one side of the equal sign. The variable is on the left side, so let's go ahead and keep it there. To isolate, we need to find all of the operations around the variable and do the opposite so that we can negate them. We have an operation of addition here. The opposite operation is subtraction, and if we add 285, the exact opposite is subtract 285. But we can't just go around doing that on one side of the equal sign. We have to do it on both sides to keep it balanced. On the left side, we have positive 285 minus 285, which is 0, or we can just say that it cancels, which leaves us with the only thing left, a v, and that's exactly what we wanted to do. Now we've accomplished our goal, let's go ahead and work on the right-hand side. Over here we have two numbers, one is positive and one is negative. That means we need to subtract and take the sign of the larger. It looks a little awkward here, so I'm going to flip this around to be 285 subtract 45 so that it'll make it subtract a little easier. But keep in mind that the negative goes with the larger number, 285. So we'll go ahead and subtract here. We end up with 5 minus 5 is 0, 8 minus 4 is 4, 2 minus nothing is 2, and since the 285 is negative, our answer will also be negative. So this is v equals negative 240. If you wanted to check this in your calculator, you can do that as well. We can also always check these types of questions by resubstituting what we get for our answer into the original question. So we have v plus 285 equals 45, and substitute negative 240 in for v. To do this, we always substitute with a set of parentheses. This helps keep all of the signs and operations nice and clear. So we substitute it in, and now we can use a calculator, or we can just do this by hand. Since 240 is negative and 285 is positive, this means we will be subtracting and keeping the sign of the larger. 5 minus 0 is 5, 8 minus 4 is 4, 2 minus 2 is 0, and 45 does in fact equal 45, so this checks, which means that the number we put in, negative 240, is indeed the correct answer, and so we're all done.